Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at the certified P1 2021 G550. This one is an emerald green metallic. Underneath here is a 4-liter V8 bi-turbo with 416 horsepower and 450 pounds of torque. This one has 19-inch 8-spoke alloy wheels. V8 badging on the side. A nut brown black leather interior with a natural grain walnut wood trim. Sunroof. G550 badging. A clean set of all-season floor mats, fold-down rear seats, cargo cover, trailer hitch, blind spot assist, Burmeister sound system, heated and cooled seats, illuminated door sill, heated steering wheel, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, touchpad steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, ambient lighting, a rear view backup camera with sensors,
have already killed people in cities as far north as New York.
media display, navigation,
built to withstand weather events like that, but it's
dual climate controls, hard keys for the radio and media display, cup holders, touchpad and wheel for the infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This G-Wagon has 17,990 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this 2021 G550, visit us at feldmanimports.com.